Hey friends, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. Today's Monday morning. It's about 8 o'clock. I am just getting ready to log into work and enjoying my La Colombe pumpkin spice latte. I got this from Trader Joe's yesterday. Let's give it a try. Really good. I am a fan of their canned lattes, so this flavored one, look how frothy. It's just perfect. We had a pretty good weekend. It was very relaxing. Not a whole lot went on, but nothing wrong with that. It's gonna be a good week. I actually am leaving tomorrow morning for Austin for work tomorrow for the week, and I'll bring you guys along with me and just kind of show you what I'm up to. I'm going by myself this time. Last time I went, my husband did go. This is going to be a little bit of a longer trip, and just with him getting time off of work, it just made sense for me to go by myself. So yeah, I'll bring you guys along for that. Pretty excited. I actually really like going into the office because it's just so nice and I don't get to ever do it. So when I do, I enjoy it. So I'm gonna get to work and I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. Hi friends, I'm on my lunch break and I'm going through my suitcase because everything's packed, but it's just like too packed, like it's too full. And for once, I just want to travel and not overpack. So I'm gonna go through all of my clothes and see what I can take out, because my thing is I usually pack like 2 outfits per day. It's a 4-day trip, and so I probably have like 10 outfits. Like, why am I like this? But I also think like I need an outfit for the daytime and then an outfit for the nighttime. I don't even know like if we're gonna be doing anything at night, but probably some sort of like team building or dinners and stuff. And I am not a fan of staying in the same clothes all day, so I'm gonna just see what I can adjust. And I'm watching Crazy Rich Asians. Update, I was able to take some stuff out. I did take out these 2 shirts that I had. Don't need them, they were extra. This outfit here, I'm actually gonna wear on the plane. Originally, I wanted to wear something else, and then I was gonna change when I get there. But I'm gonna get there like before 10 o'clock, and I plan to go to the office. So I'm like, just wear it. It's fine. I was able to get my suitcase. Originally, I had the extender unzipped. It extends like 2 inches. This is the base carry-on roller, by the way. So I was able to get it zipped up with the extender closed, so I definitely cleared some space in here. And then on top I have my base work tote. I believe this is the mini work tote. So this is what I'm taking for luggage. The only thing I have to pack in here is just my electronic organizer, so my chargers and stuff. In the morning I'm just gonna throw that right on top here. And of course my laptop I will be bringing as well, so that's gonna fit in this little laptop sleeve here. And that's pretty much it. If you guys want to see like a detailed video on how I pack, I will link that below. I just did a recent pack with me video, kind of shows you how I organize, what I keep in my carry-on and stuff. I'll link that below. So this is a little bit of a condensed version of that, just because I am taking a lot less. So I'm looking forward to it. I actually just gave myself a little bit of a haircut. I gave myself a trim. I added some layers, so I'll show you guys tomorrow when my hair is down. I'm gonna wash it tonight. I'll show you how it looks with the added layers. Yeah, I'm just gonna finish off my workday and try to relax. I wanted to get all of my packing and prepping done. That way I can just kind of relax tonight, because I do have to get up at like 4 in the morning. My flight leaves at 6 tomorrow. I did my nails last night. Just like this really sporty length. This is a shade from D&D. 620 Miami Sand. Super pretty. I thought it was going to be like too peach since it's getting closer to fall, but it does look like pretty nude. So happy with that. I'll check in with you guys later or tomorrow morning when I'm getting ready to leave for the airport. I am a hot mess. So I have my base weekender bag here. You can see the size comparison between the weekender and the mini work tote. So my dilemma is I want this to carry to the office every day, but this is more travel friendly for like actual traveling. So because not only does it have this top part, which is probably about the same size as that, it has this underneath compartment, which, you know, when you're traveling, this could fit like a few pairs of shoes, a couple outfits, your toiletries. It actually, a good amount can fit in here. So what I'm thinking about doing is I'm thinking about bringing both of them, but putting the work tote inside here and then still having that extra space. So that way I have the extra space in the bottom, but I still am bringing this bag that I do want to take into the office. So this is kind of what I'm thinking. And then I'm gonna be able to put some stuff under here, like a couple pairs of shoes, my toiletries. So let's see how this works out. Vlog. Okay, I got this all packed up. I've got my toiletries and everything under here, my makeup's under here, and then the work tote fits perfectly right in here, so I think this was a good idea to give me some extra space. Good morning, friends. It's Tuesday, about to be 8 o'clock. I just landed in Houston. I had to wake up at like 3 in the morning to make it to the airport by 4, and my flight boarded at 5:30, so I have a layover here in Houston, and then I board in 30 minutes, and then I get to Austin around 9:30. So feeling okay for not having slept very much. I did pre-order my coffee here, so that was really convenient because the line was atrocious. But I'm pretty hungry. I brought some fruit and a little Trader Joe's Pop-Tarts. I'm gonna have a snack, wait for my flight to board, and then I'll check in with you guys once I get to Austin. Hey friends, made it to my hotel. Thankfully they were able to check me in because it was like 10 o'clock when I got here, so yeah, thankfully they had a room available. I'll do a quick room tour. It's honestly nothing special, but you know, that's what we do. Okay, front door is here. This is the bathroom. I did start to kind of unpack some of my things, so just to kind of settle in a little bit. Here is the little closet area. I hung up some of my stuff. I am here for like a formal event, so I wanted to get like my dresses hung up. Got my base bag there. This is nice just because shelving and extra storage. Little microwave, which I love. Coffee station. I think this, yep, fridge. Some of my shoes here. This is mostly just like pajamas that I left in here. And then just some random stuff in my suitcase. Here's my work tote that I'm getting ready to pack for the office. And yeah, this is the room. Little desk area. I unpacked like my makeup and stuff. I'm eating a Trader Joe's Pop-Tart because I'm starving. I haven't eaten today. Little sitting area. Here's our view. I believe my office is that way. So I just settled in a little bit, unpacked some of my stuff. I'm having a snack and getting ready to head to the office. I've been up since 3 in the morning, so I did just need like a minute to, you know, decompress, if you will. So I was just freshening up my face a tad. Nothing too crazy. I realized I forgot my lash glue. So that's extremely annoying. I'm gonna have to buy some. But yeah, just freshened up. This is some Dose of Colors lip gloss. I'll be here for the week. It is Tuesday and I don't leave till Friday, so that's kind of why I wanted to unpack and settle in. I want to show you guys the outfits that I'm wearing for a week while in the office. I do work remotely from home, but for this week I am in Austin, Texas, and I'm going into the office every day, so I thought I'd show you guys what I'm wearing. It's been a while since I've consistently gotten dressed in like office workwear, so I thought it'd be fun just to show you guys what I came up with. Super casual, comfortable, but cute outfits for going into the office. So let's start with day one. All right, so for this top, I just thrifted this last week at this thrift store called Foundries. Just kind of like this oversized blousey type top, super cozy, comfortable, but also still pretty cute. I have on some pleather leggings and I'm wearing my Rick Owens Converse. I also have my base work toe. This is the mini work toe, and that's it. So this is our little coffee bar lounge. I'm getting a smoothie. Hey friends, it is about 8 o'clock. I'm back in my room. Let me turn this TV down. After work, we just went and had a couple drinks, and then we went to Target because we needed a couple things. And I just got back to my room, showered, kind of just settling in a little bit. I did DoorDash some dinner, so that should be here soon. My plan for tonight is just to eat some dinner, see if I can find something on TV, pretty much just relax, get some rest. I am pretty tired after a long day, early travel day, so I will check in with you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of what I'm wearing into the office. This is a thrifted button up. It's like this greenish button up that I have unbuttoned, and then underneath I have this skirt that I thrifted. This is just a black tank, and then I'm wearing my New Balance sneakers. So just like a casual but comfortable outfit. Hey friends, I just got home from work and we're going for happy hour. So I came home to change. I put on this dress. It is from H&M. I got some shorts underneath because it is a little bit sheer. And I'm just wearing my New Balance sneakers. And it's just a comfortable, cute, casual outfit. Hey friends, welcome back to day 3 of what I'm wearing into the office. So for today, I have on this black top with this black maxi skirt. I believe this is from Torrid. It's thrifted, and this is from H&M. It's actually a dress, the one I wore last night, and I tucked it into this skirt. And I have on my New Balances just because they're the most comfortable, and I think it makes the outfit a little more casual and not so like dressy. I am putting on a hat that has our work logo. This is the outfit. I have on some hoops. Probably gonna put on a little necklace, and that's it. Hello and hi friends. Today's Thursday, it's 2:30. I'm at my hotel getting some work done. So let me just tell you about what happened. I had scheduled an appointment at Dry Bar to get my hair curled, and they have this thing called dry styling where you basically come with your hair dry and they will do like a look of your choice. It was only 35 bucks. So I was like, okay, I don't normally do blowouts or anything. So I was like, it's a special occasion. I don't normally do this. And I called and I was like, hey, my event isn't until this evening. Is it okay if I leave with the curls pinned? Like, I don't want it to be fully styled. And they said, yeah, no problem. Just when you book your appointment, put a note in there. And I was like, okay, bet. So did that, get there, told the lady what I wanted. She was like, oh, we don't do that because we don't want you to leave without like the hair being finished. She was like, so I can do the curls and just spray it really well, and then you can like comb it through when you get home. And I was like, okay, 35 bucks. Let me just do it. Basically, yeah, she did it, and let me show you guys. Does this look like curled hair to you? I kid you not. So thank God I have time to redo my hair and my makeup. I'm just like, see, this is why I don't do stuff. This is why I don't try things. This is why I always do my own makeup, my own hair. 2 people in my life have done my hair, styled my hair, and I actually really loved it, and they're both my friends, Monique and Cece. Amazing. But yeah, this was just not it. So I'm gonna recurl my hair, still getting some work done, and then yeah, I'm heading out. I think they might arrange like a shuttle for us to get to the event, but I'm probably gonna Uber it. Like, I don't know, I'm trying to just see. Depends on if I'm ready in time. This is what I wanted and this is what I need. Like, how hard is that? I don't know when I'm gonna stop trying to trust the service industry. Like, I'm just too picky for my own good. That's why I do my own nails, I do my own makeup, and aside from color, I do my own hair. So we are going to let these set and I'm gonna start on my makeup. So I'll check in after that. Update, so the glam has arrived. Let's get some of this good light. I just took my curls out. This is what I expected. So I'm gonna put lotion on, get dressed, fluff out the curls, and I'll let you guys know how it looks. But like, this glam, work has never had this version of me, so they're gonna be like, who is that? Like, I always wear makeup and look put together, but this right here is the fullest glam that I do. Get ready to go. I'm wearing this dress. This is like my go-to formal dress. It's not a new or anything, but I'll insert a picture of me wearing this dress. And it's Friday morning, just getting ready and packed up from my hotel room. I do leave tonight, so I'm gonna take all my stuff to work. I feel like I lost my voice last night somehow. I don't really know, but we had a good time. I didn't really vlog too much, I guess, last night or even this whole week, but it's just been back-to-back events and happy hours and meetings, and everything has just been very hectic, but also a lot of fun. Anytime I come to Austin, I really love it. I'm really loving the city, and coming into the office, I do actually enjoy it because our office is just so amazing. So it's definitely been a great experience, but I'm getting ready to head out. I'm gonna stop and get a pumpkin drink from Starbucks. I don't know what to call it because it's not a pumpkin spice latte. It's not a cold brew. My version of a pumpkin drink. So I'm gonna get that, head into the office. I'm gonna call my Uber because for whatever reason, the Ubers take so long to get to my hotel. One final outfit of the day. Today's Friday, so it's my last day going into the office. So this top, it's like a blouse. It's from H&M. I did wear this in New York, and I think it's really cute. I just love the way that it kind of sits. It has a little slits on the side. These are just some leggings. They're thrifted. I think the brand is Spalding, which is so random, but I love them so much. And then of course my New Balances, because they're my most comfortable shoes that I brought. And I will be going from the office to the airport. So I want it to be as comfortable but professional. So that's kind of what I was going for today. That's gonna wrap up my week of what I wore into the office. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these outfits. If you guys enjoy fashion videos like this, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you real soon in another video. Bye.